Language learning ASMR blends gentle sound with calm education for the mind. It creates a peaceful space where new words feel soft and welcoming. Whispers, slow speech, and subtle mouth sounds guide focused listening. Each sound helps the brain relax while absorbing vocabulary naturally. The rhythm of pronunciation builds memory without pressure or stress. Soft repetition allows learners to feel confident and curious. Language learning ASMR is perfect for night study or quiet mornings. It supports pronunciation, listening skills, and emotional connection. The calm tone reduces anxiety often linked to learning new languages. Background sounds like paper, tapping, or breath add comfort. Learners feel immersed without feeling overwhelmed. This method suits beginners and advanced learners alike. It encourages mindful attention to sounds and meanings. ASMR language content turns practice into a soothing ritual. Consistency with this style improves retention over time. Learning becomes gentle, slow, and deeply enjoyable.